In this video, I will show you how to access and import into R data from the May 2018 Occupational Employment Statistics from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. So I'm at the Bureau of Labor Statistics website, bls.gov, and from here I will go to the tab at the top that says Subjects, and so I'll go ahead and click on Subjects. And then I will scroll down just a bit until I get to a heading titled Annual and Other. And right underneath Annual and Other, I see a title that you can click on that says Occupational Employment Statistics. So this is going to give me a bunch of data on 800 occupations for the nation and for states and metropolitan areas. So I'll go ahead and click on that. From here then, I'm actually going to scroll down just a bit until I get to a little tab here that says OES data. I can see that it says May 2018. And what I'll come down to is metropolitan and non-metropolitan area. And a metropolitan area, really the easiest way to describe it is it's just a hub of activity. So you have this center region, usually urban area where there's a lot of jobs, a lot of activity, and then you have kind of little satellite neighborhoods and towns around it. So we're actually going to get to, we're trying to look at Atlantic City, so that's why we're going to click on metropolitan and non-metropolitan areas. We'll get non-metropolitan as well, but we're really after the metropolitan area of Atlantic City. So we're actually going to download this in Excel. So you're going to click on XLS next to metropolitan and non-metropolitan area. You'll see that a zip file has been downloaded to your computer, OESM 18MA. So you're going to do what we've been doing, which is to click that zip file, find a place you're going to extract it all. You will then browse and then save it somewhere where you'll be able to access it. I now have RStudio open and I'm trying to get ready to import the BLS data into RStudio. So I'll go over to the environment and click on Import Dataset in the top right. I'm going to now import it from Excel because this is an Excel file. I'll go over to Browse on the right hand corner of this box, and then I will go to see where I've saved this information. So I am going to go, I saved it here, BLS OES. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to go into the folder that says OESM 18MA. That's what I actually downloaded from this site. Then I will open up MSA_M 2018. So this is the Metropolitan Statistical Area information. And that's what I want. But if you're also curious about what it is we'll see, you can also go into field descriptions, which will tell us the meaning of each column that we discussed in class. You can go to the file descriptions, which will tell you what each thing is in this. It's kind of like a README file. It tells you what each one of these files is here and some details about them. But I'm really just concerned with importing this right now. So I'll go ahead and click MSA M 2018 DL and open it. I'll wait for RStudio to give me a preview to make sure that it looks good. Everything looks good to me. I have one top row that is the title for each of the corresponding columns. I don't see anything strange about any of the columns per se. Everything looks good. So I'll go ahead and import that. Okay, and it's a huge data set, so it might take you a second to import this into R, but once you do, you can see that we have 143,905 rows here, 25 columns, so 25 pieces of information for 143,905 rows, which is pretty incredible. And so from here now, you're ready to start using the script to think about what this data tells us.